Hey guys, this is Saqib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the Woolamp slider developed by BdThemes and a part of the Prime Slider plugin. Woolamp is a WooCommerce product slider widget. It's integrated with WooCommerce perfectly so you could enjoy all the features of WooCommerce within the slider. Dragging the slider widget inside your page will show you the amazing interface of this slider widget, buttons for social media sharing, and the Add to Cart button under the product detail. The slider has a smooth carousel transition with a manual span counter button on the right side. Jumping into the query, you can go for manual slider item selection instead of the default setting, like how we went for the fashion category. Then from the Advanced tab, add some padding to the top and bottom to make the slider cover the whole ground of the hero page. For the background part, we can go for a gradient color. Pick a suitable gradient color that matches your taste. On the Content tab, first is the custom height and width for the slider. Then comes the minimum height control bar. The alignment option is for the content on the display. Tweak it around to see it. You can also adjust the image resolution if you want. There's a bunch of switches that can show or hide specific items on the display. Just like how you can hide the price by turning off the switcher. Let's revert the changes. The fun thing is, you can add a ton of social media links on the slider. Clicking on any social share item will give you along with a custom label field. You already know the query. You can increase or decrease the number of slides from here. There's an option for limiting what products you want to show. There are two buttons below to hide free and out of stock products from displaying. The last section here is for customizing the slider animation. On the Style tab, the first section holds 4 subsections for customizing the slider title, category, excerpt, and price. For title, let's change the color and font from the typography option. Make them a little bigger so people could see clearly. Try the text stroke style now. The category is on top of the title and it has a color hover animation. The same goes for the excerpt, first the color, then the typography. Now the price subsection has 2 parts, settings for the old price tab and the sales price. Let's change the game by adding a white color for the price and a bigger font size. Perfect. For the Add to Cart button, you get to customize its appearance for normal and hover mode. So let's fill the background with a color, apply a border, then set the width. The same color goes to the border too. Now go for the hover and set a reverse color for the button. It looks kinda awesome now. The last subsection is for the quantity counter. Just get a matching color and the same border settings with colors. Yep, it looks okay. Then you need to highlight the social media buttons with a deeper color. Let's go for black for the text. Lastly, the navigations. Let's paint them white and black. That's it. The Woolamp slider is ready with a sleek, classy layout. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.